there's a spot right here. That thing really did good. It did the trick right there. We're going to put regular hot water from the sink in here until it's full to that line. I'm going to pour this in until it gets up to the full line. Put our cap back on. Now that we've got this thing filled up with everything it needs, there's a spot right here, a quick clean, deep clean, and the hose tool. Showing the power on, that's not a button, and the done is not a button, but the middle button stop is. Hit it, everything stops. But to start it back over, you'll have to hit another selection, either deep or regular. So we're going to sit this, it's got brushes down here. We're going to sit this over top of the stain, and I'm going to hit quick. It takes 3 minutes. Okay, it starts beeping when it's done. Turn this around here so you can see it. It'll start flashing. Look at there. The spot's gone. See that? Clean it a little more. Push this little button on the side to release that hose. Bring it around. Over here on this side is where you got your deep clean and brush storage. There. All right, put the hose up. You got this right here where the water comes out. Okay, you want to hit the hose tool. Pull the trigger and it'll spray. Spraying out a mist. And it sucks. That's when you scrub. Now you go slow and suck up the water. Now when you're done, what you want to do is put this in your sink or whatever. Turn it back on for the hose tool, and that water will suck up through here and clean all that out. That thing really did good. It did the trick right there. If you're using something with OxiClean in it, it can take up to 6 to 8 hours before the OxiClean gets finished working. Check out my other video where I'm doing a review on this. Check out the playlist. I believe you're gonna like the videos that I've got with this. Just want to tell y'all thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good one now, and you come back.